Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to start chapter 13 Exponents and Powers. 13.1 Introduction. Do you know what the mass of earth is? It is 5970,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 kg. Can you read this number? Mass of Uranus is 86800 and so on kg. Which has greater mass, Earth or Uranus? Distance between Sun and Saturn is 14335000 and so on meter. And distance between Saturn and Uranus is 1439000 meter. Can you read these numbers? Which distance is less? These very large numbers are difficult to read, understand and compare. To make these numbers easy to read, understand and compare, we use exponents. In this chapter, we shall learn about exponents and also learn about how to use them. 13.2 Exponents. We can write large numbers in a shorter form using exponents. So observe this. We can write 10,000 is equal to 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, which is 10 to the power 4. The short notion 10 to the power 4 stands for the product of 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Here 10 is called the base and 4 is the exponent. So you can see this 4 is called the exponent and 10 is the base. The number 10 to the power 4 is read as 10 raised to the power 4 or simply as 4th power of 10. 10 to the power 4 is called the exponential form of 10,000. We can similarly express 1000 as power of 10. Note that 1000 is equal to 10 into 10 into 10, that is 10 to the power 3. Here again 10 to the power 3 is the exponential form of 1000. Similarly 1 lakh can be written as 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, that is 10 to the power 5. 10 to the power 5 is the exponential form of 1 lakh. In both these examples, the base is 10. In case of 10 to the power 3, the exponent is 3. And in case of 10 to the power 5, the exponent is 5. We have used numbers like 10, 100, 1000, etc. while writing numbers in an expanded form. For example, 47561 can be written as 4 into 10,000, 7 into 1000, 5 into 100, plus 6 into 10, plus 1. This can be written as 4 into 10 to the power 4, plus 7 into 10 to the power 3, plus 5 into 10 to the power 2, plus 6 into 10, plus 1. Try writing the numbers in the same way for 172, 5642 and 6374. In all the above examples, we have seen numbers whose base is 10. However, the base can also be in any other number also. You can see here 81 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, which can be written as 3 to the power 4. Here the base is 3 and the exponent is 4. Some powers have special names. For example, 10 to the power 2, which is 10 raised to the power 2, also read as 10 squared, and 10 to the power 3, which is 10 raised to the power 3, also read as 10 cubed. Can you tell what 10 to 5 to the power 3, 5 cubed means? So 5 cubed is equal to 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. So we can say 125 is the third power of 5. What is the exponent and the base in 5 to the power 3? So you can see base is 5 and exponent is 3. Similarly, 2 to the power 5 to 2 into 5 times is equal to 32, which is the fifth power of 2. In 2 to the power 5, 2 is the base and 5 is the exponent. In the same way, for 243 can be written as 3 into 5 times, that is 3 to the power 5. 64 can be written as 2 into 6 times, that is 2 to the power 6. 625 is equal to 5 into 4 times, that is 5 to the power 4. So you can try this. You can also extend this way of writing when the base is a negative integer. So sometimes the base is also a negative integer. What does minus 2 to the power 3 means? That means minus 2 to the power 3 is equal to minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, that is minus 8, because it is odd, so it will remain minus. So here to minus 2 to the power 4, it will be 16. Check it, you can check that it is even power, so it will become positive. Instead of taking a fixed number, let us take an integer a as the base and write the numbers. So you can see here we are taking a as an integer, and a into a is equal to a square, so it can be read as a square or a raised to the power 2, here a cube, here a to the power 4, here a to the power 7, here a into a, b into b into So it will be written as a cube plus a cube into b square. You can see a cube b squared. A into a, b 5 times, that is a square, sorry, a 2 times and b 4 times, that is a square b to the power 4. So it can be written as read as a squared into b raised to the power of 4. So example number 1, express 256 as a power of 2. So you can write 256 as 2 into 2 into 8 times, that is 2 to the power 8. So which one is greater, 2 cube or 3 square? So 2 cube is 8 and 3 square is 9. So 9 is greater than 8. So 3 square is greater than 2 cube. Which one is greater, 8 cube, 8 square or 2 to the power 8? So 8 square is 64 and 2 to the power 8 is 256. Therefore 2 to the power 8 is greater than 8 square. So example number 4, expand a cube b square b cube b square a cube b cube a square. Are they all same? So you can see here a 4 times, a 3 times and b 2 times. Here a 2 times and b 3 times. You can multiply it here. So it is not the same. B 2 times and a 3 times and b 3 times, a 2 times. Note that in the case of the term a cube and b square and a square and b cube, the powers of a and b are different. Thus a cube b square and a square b cube are different. On the other hand, a cube b square and b square a cube are the same, since the power of a square a and b is the same in two terms as the same. Therefore the other order of factors does not matter. So therefore you can see that a cube b square is equal to a cube b square is equal to b square a cube is equal to b square a cube. So order doesn't matter. Similarly, a square b cube and b cube a square are the same. You can see here. Example number 5, express the following numbers as a product of power of prime factor. So you can see 72 is equal to 2 into 36. So 36 is can be written as 2 into 18. So 18 can be written as 2 into 9. So it will become 9 can be written as 3 into 3. So you can see that 2 cube 3 square. So you can see, you can write it like, you can take it from here also. It's less the same, 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3. So you can see 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3. So 72 is equal to 2 cube into 30, 3 cube. So required prime factor product form. So you can see second, 432 is equal to 2 into 216, 2 into 2 into 108, 2 into 2 into 54, 2 into 2 into 2 into 27. So 27 can be written as 3 into 9. So 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 3. 1000 can be written as 2 into 500, 2 into 2 into 250. 250 can be written as 2 into 125. So 125 can be written as 5 into 25. So it will become 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3. Atul wants to solve this example in another way. So Atul wants to solve it another way, and he wrote it as 10 into 100 is equal to 10 into 10 into 10. So 2 into 5, 2 into 5, 2 into 5, it will become the same. You can see. So 16,000 can be written as 16 into 1000. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1000, 2 to the power into 10 to the power 3. You can see here is equal to, you can see here 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3. So you can see here 1000 can be written as like this. So it will become 2 to the power 7 into 5 to the power 3. So work out for 1 to the power 5 minus 1 to the power 3 minus 1 to the power 4 minus 10 to the power 3 minus 5 to the power 4. So we can see here 1 to the power 5 is 1. In fact, you realize that 1 raised to any power is 1. So any power in 1 is 1. So here 1 to the power minus 1 to the power 3. So it is negative. So odd number. So it will get negative. So you can see you get negative. So here is a note here. Minus 1 to the power odd number is equal to minus 1, and minus 1 to the power even number is positive 1. So you can see minus 1 to the power 4 is positive 1, and here minus 10 to the power 3 is equal to negative 1000, and minus 5 to the power 4 is equal to, here it is even number, so it will be positive, and 4 times 4 into 4 times 5 to the power 4 is 625. So here is an exercise 13.1. It's an easy exercise, you can solve it, and if you have any doubt you can ask it in the comment section. 13.3 laws of exponents. So there are laws of exponents. 13.3.1 multiplying powers with the same base. So when there are same base, when you multiply the powers, it gets added. So you can see here 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 3. So when you do that, the base will be the same, but the powers will be added. So you can see here the powers will be added. If you write it like this, 2 to the power 2 can be written as 2 into 2, and 2 to the power can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. When you see this, it is 2 to the power 5, that is 2 plus 3 in the power. You can see here. Note that the base is 2 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 2 is the same, but the sum of the exponents 2 and 3, that is 5. So you can see here the base are same here also, and power is 4 and 3. So you can add this. If you write it in the longer way, you can do that also. So 4 times minus 3 into 3 times minus 3. When you multiply this, the power will be 7. So 7 means 4 plus 3. Here also the base is same, and exponent is 2 and 4. So it will be added. So 2 to the power 6. So you can see here. You can do the long method also. The base is the same, and the sum of the exponents is 2 plus 4, that is 6. Verify. So you can see here, here also base are same, 2 plus 2 4. Here the base are same, 2 plus 3 5. So it's very easy. So here also you can see, can you do the appropriate number in the box? So here the base are same, you can put 8 here. 2 plus 6 is 8. B into B, base is same. So 2 and 5, 2 and 3 will become 5. And here base is same, 3 and 4 will become 7. 10 and 20 will become 30. So from this we can generalize that for any non-zero integer a where m and m are whole number. So when a base are same and m and m are a whole number, so a to the power m plus 1. Caution, consider 2 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 2. Can you add the exponents? No. Do you see why? Because the base is not same. Base of 2 to the power 3 is 2, and the base of 2 to the power 3 is 3. The bases are not same, so you can not add the exponents. So here division method, division power, dividing power with the same base. So here the base are same, but we are dividing here, so it will be minus 7 minus 4. It will be subtracted. So you can see here the example, 3 to the power 7 and 3 to the power 4. So 4 times 3, and here 7 times 3. So it will be cancelled out. So only 3 will be remaining. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 to the power 3 is equal to 3. 7 minus 4, I can, like said before, 7 minus 4 is 3. So you know that. Note, in 3 to the power 7 and 3 to the power the base is same, and 3 to the power 7 divided by 3 to the power 5 become 3. 7 minus 4. Similarly for this also you can see 6, power is 6 and power is 2. So 5 into 5, and here 6 times 5. So this 2 will get cancelled. So you get 5 4 times, that is 5 to the power 4. If you subtract this, 6 minus minus 2, you will get the 4. Same answer you will get. So let a be the non-zero integer then. So if a is a non-zero integer, base is same, and we are dividing 4 a to the power 4 divided by a to the power 2. So 2 and 2 will cancel, and a to the power 2 will be remaining. So you can see a to the power 2 will be remaining, or by simple method you can do 4 minus 3 2, that is a to the power 2. You can do that also. Now can you answer quickly? So here also you can do that. Base are same. Here is 8 and here is 3. You can minus 8. So you will get 5. Similarly 7 to the power 9 minus divided by 7 to the power 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. So 7 to the power 3. Here a to the power 8 divided by a to the power 5. You get a to the power 3. It will be minus 8 minus 5 is 3. So you know that for multiplication you will if the base are same, you will add the exponents, and when the base is same and it is dividing, you will be subtracting the exponents. So you can see here another is given here, b10 divided by b5. So we will get b5 as answer, and here c100 divided by c90, you will get c to the power 10, because 100 minus 90 is 10. So in general, for any non-zero integer a, am divided by an will give am minus n. So where m and n is a whole number and m is greater than n. So 13.3.3, taking power of a power. Here we are taking power of a power. So consider the following. Simplify 2, 3 to the power in the whole bracket. You will get into 2. So you will be multiplying these two exponents in this case. So you can see here. Now 2 to the power 3 to the power 2 whole power 2 you get means 2 to the power 3 is multiplied 2 times in itself. So when you 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 3 you get 2 3 plus 3, that is, since you know that from the above, when it is multiplying the exponents are added, so it will become 2 6, that is 2 3 into 2. So when 2 to the power 3 to the whole power 2 is like this, you multiply the power. So you multiply the power, that is 2 to the power 6. Here also it is the same thing. 2 to the power 3 to the power 2 will become 2 to the power 3 into 2. Here 3 to the power 2 to the whole power 4, we multiply these two, 3 to the power 8. So you can see here 3 to the power 8. And here also you can see 7 to the power 2 to the whole power 10, you will multiply these two, that is 7 to the power 20. So you can see here. So similarly you can see here 2 to the power 3 to the power 2, that is 6. 3 to the power 2 to the power whole power 4, that is 2 into 4 8. 3 to the power 8, that is 7 to 8. 7 to the power 2 into 10, that is 7 to the power 20. 8 to the power 2 to the power 3, 8 to the power 6. 8 to the power m to the power 3, it will become 8 to the power 3m. You can see here, multiply it. Very easy. From this we can generalize for any non-zero integer a where m and n are whole number, a to the power n to the power n is equal to amn. So you can, it is very easy. So example is given here. Can you tell which is greater, 5 to the power 2 into 3 or 5 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2 to the whole power 3. So you can see here, when you multiply this 5 to the power 2 into 3, it means 5 square is multiplied by 3, that is 75. When you do this 5 to the power 6, it will become 5 to the power 6, which means 5 square is multiplied by itself 3 times, so it will become 15,625. So 5 to the power 2 to the power 3 is greater than 5 square plus 5 square into 3. So multiply powers with the same base. So consider, so here you can see with the same exponents, when the exponents are same. So you can see here, can you simplify 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 3 to the power 3? Notice that here the two terms 2 cube and 3 cube have different bases, but the exponents are same. So when the exponents are same, you have to do like this: 2 to the power 3 into 3 cube. 2 cube into 2 3 cube is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So you can see here 2 into 3, 3 into 3, 2 into 3. It will become 6 into 6 into 6, that is 6 cube. Observe 6 is the product of the base 5, 2 and 3. So you can see here also 4 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4. You can see here it is like 3 into 4, 3 into 4 4 times. You can see here 12 to the power 4. Also you can see the 3 square into a square. So you can see here a 3 into 2, 3 into a to the power 2, 3a square. So you can see here. Similarly a to the power 4 into a b to the power 4. So you can see here a into b to the whole power 4. So you can see. So for any non-zero integer am into bm is equal to ab to the whole power m, where m is any whole number. So you can see the example here. Express the following in terms of exponential form. So you can see here, you have to convert it into exponential form. 2 into 3 to the power 5. You can see here, you can do like this: 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 2 into 3 5 times. So after that you will separate 2 and 3 together. So you get 2 5 times and 3 5 times. Next one also similar, it's a similar case. It will be just 2 to the power 4 and 8 to the power 4. Here also it is minus sign, so minus will be there, and 4 3 times and m 3 times. So it will be minus 4 to the power 3 into m to the power 3. 13.3.5 dividing powers with the same exponents. Observe the following simplifications. You can see first is 2 to the power 4 divided by 3 to the power 4. So you can see here 4 times 3 and 4 times 2. So when we divide, it becomes 2 by 3 to the whole power 4. It can be, it will come whole power as 4. So you can see here a to the power 3, b to the power 3, a 3 times, 4 to 3, b 3 times multiplied. So you get a by b whole power 3. So from the example we may generate am divided by bm, which is written as this, can be written as a by b whole power m, where a and b are non-zero integers and m is a whole number. So you can see example number 9, expand 3 by 5 to the power 4. So you can expand it. When you remove the bracket, it will get individual 3 by 4 and 5 by 4. So you get 3 to the 3 4 times multiplied and 5 4 times multiplied. So similarly here also, minus 4 by 7 whole power 5, when you remove the bracket, it will be individually minus 4 to the power 5 and 7 to the power 5. So you can see 4 5 times multiplied and 7 5 times multiplied. Numbers with exponent 0. So when the exponent is 0, it becomes 1. So you can see here, when the exponent is 0, its value is 1. Can you tell what 3 to the power 5 and 3 to the power 5 equal to? So you can see that 3 to the power 5 and upon 3 to the power 5 is 1, because when you divide both 3 for 5 times and divide by 3 5 times multiplied, so you get 1. By using the law of exponent, you can say that when you divide 3 by 3 to the 5 divided by 3 to the power 5, it becomes 3. 5 minus 5, you know that, so it becomes 3 to the power 0. That means it is 1. Can you tell what 7 to the power 0 is? It is also equal to 1. So you can see here in the example also. Similarly, 8 to the power 3 divided by 8 to the power 3, it's a0. That means it is also equal to 1. You can see here 8 to the power 0 is equal to 1. So we can say that any number except 0 raised to the power 0 is 1. You can say that. 13.4 miscellaneous examples using the laws of exponents. So you can see here are some miscellaneous examples. Let us solve some examples using rules of exponents developed. So here is a example 10. Write exponential form for 8 into 8 into 8 into 8 taking base as 2. So we know that 8 4 times multiplies 8 to the power 4, but we know that 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 to the power 3. So 8 to the power 4 becomes 2 to the power 3 whole power 4. So when we do like this gets the power gets multiplied. So it will become 2 to the power 3 into 4, that is 2 to the power 12. So you know that this is the property we have used. Example number 11. Simplify and write the answer in the exponential form. So there are similar questions. So you have to write it in the exponential form. So you can see here 3 to the power 7 2 to the upon 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 5. So this becomes minus when it is in divide with same base. So it will become 3 to the power 4. Sorry, 3 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5. So it will become added when you when the base are same and it is in multiplication, the power gets added. So it becomes 3 to the power 10. Now 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 5. So when you multiply these two, this get added. So 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5. So it when the power are same, these two will come under same a bracket. So 2 into 5 to the power 5, that is 10 to the power 5. Here also you can see 6 to the power 2 into 6 to the power 5 divided by 6 to the power 3. So first you will do this when you multiply they have same bases. So this will get added. So 6 to the power 6 divided by 6 to the power 3. Base are same. So this will get subtracted. So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. That means 6 to the power 3. Here another question, number 4. So 2 to the power 2 to the whole power 3 into 3 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 6. So you know that when it is given like this, when this bracket is removed, this will get multiplied. So it becomes 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 6. So whole power is the same, they have same power. So they will come inside a bracket and the whole power becomes 6, that is 30 to the power 6. Similarly, fifth one, 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 to the power 3. Now 8 to the power 2 divided by 2 to the power 3, that is 2 to the power 3 to the power whole power 2 divided by 2 to the power 3. So this get multiplied. So it becomes 2 to the power 6 divided by 2 to the power 3. So it will it is in division and the base are same. So this will get subtracted. So 2 to the power 3 will be the answer. So now example number 12, simplify. 12 to the power 4 into 9 to the power 3 into 4 divided by 6 to the power 3 to 8 to the power 2 into 27. So what we will do here? We will do like this. it is 4 into 3, that is 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the whole power 4, and this also 2 to 3 to the power 2 to the whole power 3 into 2 to the power 2. So here also 2 into 3 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3 to the whole power 2. So you can see here into 3 to the power 3 is 27. So you can do this. So it is now very easy. So you can see this 4 will be multiplied in this 2. So this will become 2 to the power 2 to the power 4 into 3 gets the power 4, and here also you can see these two are, when this bracket is removed, so it becomes 2 to the power 6. So it will be multiplied into 2 to the power 2. Similarly, these things also, these two will get their own. So 2 to the power 3, 3 to the power 3, and here this will get added. So 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 3. So here you can see that, and then whole will be the, and then further simplified, this will get multiplied. So this become 2 to the power 8, 2 to the power 2, 2 to 3 to the power 4, and 3 to the power 6. Here also you can see. So they are taking the similar bases. So the similar bases are 2, 2. So these two will be there, and these two will be added. So 8 plus 2, and here also you can see the same bases. These two will get added. So this will become 10, and here also the base is same. So this two will added 9, and here also the base is same. So you will do 6, 3 to the power 6. So now it is in division. So we will take same base, and then we'll subtract the exponent. So 10 minus 9 is 1, and these two have the same base. So 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. So 2 to the power 1 and 3 to the power 4. So it becomes 2 into 81. 3 to the power 4 is 81. So answer is 162. Very easy. Now second one, 2 to the power 3 into a cube into 5a to the power 4. So here we can do that. A to the power 3 into 2 to the power 3 into a to the power 3, and 5 into a to the power 4. So you can see here these two have same base. So these two will come together, and this will get added. The powers will get added. 3 plus 4 will become 7. A to the power 7, and the below things, well, 5 into 8 is equal to 40. So you can see here a 40 into a to the power 7. So now another one is there. 2 into 3 to the power 4 into 2 into 2 to the power 5 upon 9 for 2 to the 4 to the power 2. So this can be written as 2 to the power 2, and here you can see this the further will remain same. So you get 2 to the power 4 here, because this 2 will get multiplied, and now you will take the same basis. So these two have the same base, so this will become 6, and now the same base have this 2 and this 2. So this 2 will get subtracted. 6 minus 4, base will remain same, but this 2 will get subtracted because it is in division. So 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2. So this will become 4 into 9, that is 36. There is a note. In most of the example that we have taken in this chapter, the base of a power was taken an integer, but all the results of the chapter apply equally well to the base which is in a rational number. So it's clear. So here is an exercise. You can solve that. If there is any doubt, you can ask it in the comment box. Now 13.5 decimal number system. Let us look at the expansion of 47561, which we already know. 4 into 10,000 plus 7 into 1000 plus 5 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 1, because 6 is in the tens unit, so it will be multiplied into 10. 5 is in hundreds place, so it will 5 into 100, and then 7 is in thousands place. So similarly, you know that we can express it using power of 10 in the exponent form. Therefore 47561 can be written as 4 into 10 to the power 4. There are 4 zeros, so it will be 10 to the power 4. Here there are 3 zeros, so 7 into 10 to the power 3. Here there are 2, so 5 into 10 to the power 2. Then 6 into 10 to the power 1, because it is 10, and then 1 into 10 to the power 0, that is equal to 1. We know that, so you can write it like this. Note, so you can take this, it is already explained. Let us expand another number. So here is another number 104278. So here 1 into 1 lakh plus 0 into, because here it is 0, so 0 into 10,000, 4 into 1000, 2 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 8 into 1. So now you can write there are 5 zeros, so 1 into 10 to the power 5, 0 into 10 to the power 4, 4 into 10 to the power 3, 2 into 10 to the 10 square plus 7 into 10 to the power 1 plus 8 into 10 to the power 0. So you can write like this. Notice how the exponents of 10 start from maximum value of 5 and go on decreasing by 1 at the step from left to the right upon 0. 13.6 Expressing large number in the standard form. Let us now go back to the beginning of the chapter. We said that large numbers can be conveniently expressed using exponents. We have not as yet shown this. We shall do so now. So Sun is located 300 0000 and so on meter from the center of our Milky Way galaxy. So number of stars in our galaxy is 100 0000 and so on. Mass of the earth is 0000 5976 000 and so on kg. These numbers are not convenient to write and read. To make it convenient, we use powers. So observe this, 59 is equal to 5.9 into 10. So we can write like 5.9 into 10 to the power 1. 590 is 5.9 into 100. So 5.9 into 10 square, 100 is 10 square. So 5900 is 5.9 into 1000, that is 5.9 into 10 to the power 3. 5900, one more 0 is there, is a misprint. So we can write like 5.9 into 10,000, that is 5.9 into 10 to the power 4 and so on. So you can write like this to make it easier. We have expressed all these numbers in the standard form. Any number can be expressed as a decimal number between 1.0 to 10.0, including 1.0 multiplied by a power of 10. Such a form of a number is called a standard form. Thus 5985 can be written as 5.958 into 1000. You can write like this, 5.958 into 10 to the power 3 is the standard form of 5985. So it is clear. Note that 5985 can also be expressed as 59.85 into 100. You can write like this also, or 59.85 into 10 square, same thing. But these are not the standard forms of 5985. Similarly, 5985 can be written as 0.5985 into 10,000 is equal to 0.5985 into 10 to the power 4 is also not the standard form of 5985. So this is the standard form, the first one. We now already know to express the large number. We came across the beginning of the chapter in this form. The distance of the sun from the center of our galaxy, that is 300 and so on, can be written as 3.0 into 100 and so on can be written as 3.0 into 10 to the power 20. There are 20 zeros, so it will become 20 meter. So now you can express 4000 in the similar way. Count the number of zeros in it, it is 10. So you can see 4000 is equal to 4.0 into 10 to the power 10. Mass of earth is 59760 so on kg is equal to 5.961 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Now you agree with the fact that the number when written in the standard form is much easier to read, understand and compare than when the numbers are written with 25 digits. So it's easier when we write in standard form. Now mass of Uranus is 86800 and so on kg. So you can write mass of Uranus as 8.68 into 10 to the power 25 kg. Simply by comparing the powers of 10 in the above two, you can tell that the mass of Uranus is greater than that of the Earth. The distance between Sun and Saturn is 1433500 and so on meter, or 1.4335 into 10 to the power 12 meter. Now the distance between Saturn and Uranus is 1439 and so on meter, or 1.439 into 10 to the power 12 meter. The distance between Sun and Earth is 1496000 and so on meter. That will become 1496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Can you tell which of the three distances is smallest? Example number 13. Express the following numbers in the standard form. So you can write this in the standard form. 5985.3 in the standard form will become 5.9853 into 1000, that is into 10 to the power 3. 65950, you can write 6.595 into 10,000, that is 6.95 into 10 to the power 4. Similarly 3430000 can be written as 343.343 into 10 to the power 6. So here 70040 and so on can be written as 7.004 into 10 to the power 10. So very easy, you can do that. A point to remember is that 1 less than the digit count, number of digit to the left of the decimal point in a given number is the exponent of 10 in the standard form. Thus, in 70040000000 there is no decimal point shown. We assume it to be at the right end. So from there, the count of the place digit to the left is 11. The exponent of 10 in the standard form is 11 minus 1, that is 10. So in 5985.3 there are 4 digits to the left of the decimal point, and hence the exponent of 10, the standard form is 4 minus 1, that is 3. So very simple. There is an exercise, you can solve that. If there is any doubt, you can ask it in the comment section. And now the chapter is finished, and we'll start the next chapter in the next class.